Okay, today Timmy's gonna unbox the kabolite K350. We just got it in. It looks like Customs opened it up, doesn't it, Timmy?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a small one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Timmy's got that razor knife over there. You're not gonna stab me, are you? Hey! Timmy's been with me for 20 years. We've known each other for about 30. He's like my little brother. It's hot today, ain't it, Junior?
Yep.
Yeah, this is the new kabolite K350. We got it the other day. When did it come in, Mr. Timmy?
Tuesday or Wednesday.
We've been busy, ain't been able to fool with it, have we? We're gonna set it in the float, then we'll set it back up on the table. It's cold from where it was in that room, ain't it? In our hobby room. Oh, Timmy. Open it up, Junior. Little brother. Damn, it's got a broke latch in the beginning, so that ain't looking good. Ooh. Stickers. Let's put this over here. We ain't working in the field today. Allen wrenches, nice. Yeah, it's 14th scale. I think, leave on, let's see. Here, grab it. Can you get it right there?
You gotta shake that.
Easy, Timmy. Yeah.
You can't shake that.
Yeah, pull that shit out.
Who you cussed?
Yeah, I cussed. And we're gonna put this on YouTube. Allen wrenches. Ooh, a syringe. Timmy, you're not gonna use drugs, are you?
Oh, no.
Grab it on there you go. That's a little bitty one, ain't it?
It sure is.
That's pretty fly, though. Open it up so we can see it, Mr. Burrell. I didn't see the transmitter. Oh, this is it. Yeah, there's the transmitter. Timmy's got that razor knife. Timmy used to be skinny, y'all. What happened, Timmy?
Old. Quit dancing.
Ooh, it's got Earl all over it. You quit dancing, Timmy?
Yeah.
Timmy Terrell. Well, folks, there it is, ain't it, Timothy?
Yep.
Not too bad. There's the battery. Ooh, it's got Earl all over it. That's a pretty cool looking little machine, ain't it? 14th scale. That's the new kabolite K350. We're gonna wipe the Earl off. Don't look bad, does it, Timmy? Pretty fly hustle, ain't it? All right, folks. Timmy, do you hope everybody enjoyed the video?
Yep.
See, even Timmy hopes everybody enjoyed the video. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll be doing a review on it a little bit later. But everybody have a wonderful, great day.